Assalamu alaikum and Eid Mubarak to all of you. My name is Soliha Salman and I am a housewife. Plus, I'm doing homeschooling for my kids at home. And this is the vlog related to Eid Day. Here I'm making umami sawina. This is a traditional dessert in my in-laws. And on the first day of Eid, it has been a staple food. Here, the special thing about this umami sabanya is that it is very sweet, and the milk, as you add curdles, that is the speciality. We need to keep adding the milk bit by bit, and it needs to curdle in that sugar syrup we have added in the savanya. Okay, so vermicelli is first roasted with cardamom, and after that it is roasted in ghee, and after that, when it is roasted and changed the color, then we need to add some water with saffron color so it softens down. And after that, we will be adding some sugar, a lot of sugar, not some sugar, a lot of sugar is added in this dessert. And after that, we'll be adding milk little by little as the sugar has been dissolved and sugar syrup is um, observed. Okay, so after that, we'll be adding milk little by little, like this. It will be curdled inside the sugar syrup due to the heat and the consistency of the sugar. You can see like this, and this is the right stage at which we need to turn the stove off, and the umami soya is ready. We'll take a little more time to simmer it in the pan, and after that we'll be garnishing. Okay, the next thing, yes, after the Eid UL Adha prayer, definitely there is the sacrifice ceremony with the our gents, the gents of our home are visiting the sacrificing places, and we got the sacrifice of we have done sacrifice of cow. And first thing, as sunnah, it is important that after the Eid prayer nothing is eaten. It's like a fast, and we break our fast with the liver or any meat that we get from the sacrifice animal. So this was the liver I cooked, and we just break our fast. And here came mami savanya, and puri I made, fried the puri. This is our tradition in our home. The mami savanya, kaleji, that is the liver of cow. All right. So the next thing was the time of making divisions into three for the poor and needy. Next division for the relatives and your loved ones, friends, neighbors, and the third division for our home. So after making some divisions, I started preparing the dishes for the Eid day. I prepared korma, biryani, and chapli kebab. did in their, they just renovated their cupboard. It was just broken, and you can see the edges of the doors. It was in a very bad condition, and they renovated it with some wallpaper and flower vases and wall art in their room, balloons and colors. They just renovated their bedroom. So I'm sharing that with you. I wasn't able to capture any picture from my bedroom, so that would be next time. I'll be sharing it with the second day descriptions of Eid. Here is the bedding of my kids, and this is the video they captured and shared. And my daughter is wishing you guys.
Assalamualaikum. Eid Mubarak everyone.
So this was a very random vlog, as due to the shortage of time I wasn't able to capture everything, but I wanted to share with you, and hope you all like it. And for more updates, subscribe my channel, and thank you so much.